first year is a lot of basics and stuff. You're learning about, the ingredients. There's so many different types of flour. You're gonna learn what they are. You're gonna learn where they are in the kitchen and what they're used for. Cake flour for cakes, pastry flour for pastries. You're making the dough, you're making the batter, and you're baking it. And then senior year, you're decorating the cakes, you're pulling out the pastries, you're decorating the pastries, and you're running the bakery. We have an amazing kitchen, anything that you can possibly dream of is in that kitchen. We have industrial mixers and stuff. You're making batches times 10 of cheesecake. We also have our own bakery, the Indulge Bakery, so we are running and doing production while we are also learning. So you're really just being not thrown in, you still get, the lessons and stuff, but the best way to learn baking pastry arts is to bake and do the arts and stuff. So you're doing production, you're making orders, you're filling things for the bakery, and you're taking things home when we have labs. It's really great. Baking is definitely a passion of mine, and they always say, do what you love. And so when I found out that I can do what I love as a career and, be trained for it, get better, that's what really appealed to me, because I want to get better and I want to do this for the rest of my life.